Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a white stain from a wooden table. Maybe you got a stain from setting down a drink or a to-go container. For me it was a pizza box, but don't freak out, you can totally get rid of the stain. I'm going to show you how I did it on my coffee table. So here's my coffee table. It's currently doubling as a linen closet until we figure out where to put our towels. But anyway, you can see it has this annoying, ugly, white, cloudy stain on the surface. This happened when we put down a pizza box on this table and let it sit for too long. I've never had that happen before, but it happened. So I did a bunch of research online and figured out how to fix it. So we're gonna take an iron. I have my iron heating up right here on the floor, and we're gonna take the iron to the stain. So you wanna make sure it's on a hot setting and that it's set to steam. So I'm just gonna take the iron and start steaming over the stain. Don't actually touch the table, just get nice and close. I know this seems like a crazy strategy, like it would make the stain worse, but it's almost like when you drip candle wax on the carpet and you have to melt it to get it back out again. It seems like it's kind of the same thing with this. So take a look. The stain has almost completely disappeared. I'm gonna work on those little spots a little bit more and then take some furniture polish to this and it should look good as new. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and watch my next video when I come out with it. Thanks for watching.